everyone, it's Cinderella here. I need to change the blade on my Cricut Maker knife blade, so I thought I'd do a quick video to show you how to do that. The reason that I need to change it was because I was cutting the heavy duty chipboard from Cricut to make my tool caddy, and when one of these circles finished cutting, it popped off the mat and went underneath one of the rollers and made the maker jam. And when that happened, basically the blade got stuck and just broke in half. So there's a quick tip there to make sure that when you're doing something like that, don't walk away from your machine. So as I said, I thought I would just do a quick video just to show how to change the blade. So when you get your knife blade kit, you'll get the little cap here and then this little tube with your new blade in it. And you'll get some instructions. So have a quick read of those, but what I'm going to do basically is just do what they show you there. So the first thing you need to do is take the cap and pop that on the end of the knife blade, and then squeeze on those two ridged areas and turn that anti-clockwise so that you can then screw that cap off the blade. And that's what you've got there. So you've got the cap that's inside there and then this piece here. Now if you tip that upside down, the old blade should drop out, but if it doesn't, just carefully grab that and you can pull that out there. So the next thing that you will do is you'll take the new blade out, and it's been pushed into this little bit of black foam, so if you can't get it to pop out, you can just take the other end off and then just push that out. So there's your new blade. So then when you look at the new blade, you've got on one side, so just be very careful when you're touching this because it is very sharp, but on one side of the blade you'll see this ridged area, so that's important to know where that is. And then on your blade housing you'll find this spot here that, in fact, you actually have to turn that sideways to be able to see this, but you'll see that there is a little bit of a dip in one part of the blade housing, and you have to match that ridged area here with that area there. So just line those two up and pop them in carefully, and then it'll just drop in like that. So once you've done that, then you need to just replace the cap. So pop that over the top, turn that there again, use those ridged areas so that you can, and I'm holding it here so that it doesn't just turn, and then you can just tighten that and then pull the cap off and it's ready to go. So I hope you found that useful. If you need any more tips like this, please join us at Cricut Explore Maker and More Facebook group, and bye for now.